Welcome back to Squawk Box. We have a couple of stocks to highlight for you this morning in our Squawk Picks. Joining us right now for that is Chris Retzler. He's portfolio manager at Needham Growth Fund. I want to kick things off right now. You like Lease Corporation. Why do you like Lease?
Great. It's a company right now where it leases airlines globally.
Right.
And what it's been under pressure, as you're seeing, a lot of the transportation names are under pressure. So you do see some pullback. But what they're doing is taking advantage of this opportunity to work with their partners. They move inventory all around. And in past years, where there's been health crises and other transportation pullbacks, it's really been the opportunity to buy a great company at value prices.
Okay, so what do you think it's worth?
Look, we would love to see it at about $50, $55.
Right.
It's trading down to the low 40s right now. So here you're seeing this move down with what's going on globally. But we think that the health scare, once that abates, this is going to be a great opportunity. It's also been a name that's taken advantage of what's going on with Boeing.
How much has it lost in the past 2 months?
It's lost about $4 or $5 off of the highs right now.
Okay.
We think that could probably continue for a period of time. But as a small cap investor, you look for those opportunities and you do your due diligence before it hits the bottom.
Right. Okay. Let's talk about some other stocks on your list. The second is Lam Research.
So that's more of a larger cap company for a lot of our small cap, semi cap companies.
Right.
So they're a leader in the space, but they are probably going to be impacted about what's going on in China.
Okay.
And also some of the noise around Huawei that we're beginning to hear. Are there risks to what Taiwan Semi can be doing?
But look at the run this thing's been on.
Correct. But what this is more of an indicator for us, what is the health for the smaller cap companies, which is where we're doing our due diligence, which is the next slide that we're going to be bringing up of a company.
Okay, but just so we're clear, on Lam, you still think this is a screaming buy? At that price, is it a screaming buy?
No, this is an indicator for the next name that we're going to talk about, which has been under pressure again.
What a tease you are. Let's bring up the third name. I feel like Vanna. Let's bring it up. Phototronics.
So here we've seen Phototronics recover, which we were talking about last summer, where it was moving from a heavy capital-intensive period into a cash flow-generating company.
Okay.
They do have operations in China. We don't know yet how much has been impacted.
Right.
It's also, as China begins to develop their own semiconductor industry, these guys are positioned for that. But what we've seen is some decline here. It bounced, in the last day or so a little bit.
Right.
But there is some
correction. A big bounce in the last day or so.
But small caps do that on lighter volume. So what we're watching for as they come up in their quarterly earnings call is what's the guidance going to be? And we think that there could be some risk there. So again, doing due diligence for small caps, you have to be prepared.
What do you think this is worth?
I think that this could be a $20 stock longer term, but there could be a significant pullback in the next month or so.
So you're not telling people to go,
I'm telling people to do their homework now and be prepared for when
the
that
moment,
happens.
but this moment is not here. Just to be 100% clear, if you look at your watch, if you're thinking of calling your broker this morning, going on E-Trade, that's not the idea.
This is why you hire active managers to pay attention.